Eliminate detrimental downtime and increase scalability with an innovative industrial panel PC or rugged touch monitor featuring our patented modular MDM technology. Leverage flexible and customizable features from display sizes ranging from 10.4 inches to 21.5 inches, a choice in the most popular touch technologies, as well as deployment options either in a thin or standard frame for your industrial automation deployment. The modular MDM technology provides easy and upgradable PC modules that can mix and match with our industrial VIO series displays, all without replacing the entire device. Specifically designed for industrial automation and inline factory HMI displays, the modular design provides complete freedom during installation and maintenance. The key benefit for modular technology and automation is its ability to reduce malfunction downtime and provide next-generation computing upgrades in no time. Our industrial touch display and PC module features a rugged IP65 rating for water resistance, wide temperature support for industrial environments, resistance to shock and vibration, and power protection to ensure reliability. Contact us to learn more about how MDM display technology can scale with your Industry 4.0 deployments today.